and only on your way back you actually realize how high and uneven the steps are. So don't use all your energy at the waterfall. Keep like 200% to get back up here. It's of course only for people over 50. For people over 20, don't worry. Or let's say under 40, under 30. Or trained people. Or everybody else than me. Ugh. Welcome back to Punta Cana, all you can see. Today we are already on the road for quite a while, like 1.5 hours, 2 hours, something like this. Shortly before San Pedro Macorís, I left the highway and I'm here on the Carretera Meia. That's the old road, and I'm driving on to Bayaguana, and I want to visit today the Salto Alto. That's there in Bayaguana. So finally we are back to adventure, Fräulein Tong Tong and I. So let's get going. I just stopped here to get a water. As I said, I'm already quite a while on the road. Make a reservation, but if nobody's picking up the phone, this is quite a little bit difficult. Let's try again.
Tu llamada será facturada. Este es el servicio de buzón de mensaje de...
Hello? Good morning at Punta Cana, all you can see. I just packed up everything together here in my hotel room in Monte Plata to get a quick start out of here and going today to a waterfall that I know, the waterfall Salto Socoa, and that's very close to here. So not too many adventures today. I know where it is. I go straight and I will take you. So let's have a coffee and then let's hit the road. Let's go. Coming from Santo Domingo, we are here at the sign Rio Socoa and we're driving on to the waterfall. Coming from there, driving into here, there's a sign that says Bienvenido al Salto Socoa. I came into this gate over there. You pay an entrance fee of $100 pesos per person, and then I parked my motorbike over there because this is the way we are going, and he said it's too steep to drive down. I don't think so because I've been down there before, but it's okay. If they say no, I walk. Sony ZV-1 camera. That said, it's really slippery. I recommend water shoes, and there as well stones, so you can just step wherever you need to step. And bikini, towel, bring a bottle of water, maybe a snack if you want to stay longer. There's something up where I park, but down here there is nothing, just nature. And nature. Watching Punta Cana, all you can see here today at the Waterfall Socoa. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you like the waterfall. It's stunning, it's one of my favorites, and it's easy to reach. That's always very good. And yeah, come here, visit. If you drive from Santo Domingo to Samana, or from Samana to Santo Domingo, the highway, it's just 10 minutes off the road, and that includes walking, well, maybe 15 minutes walking, and you can enjoy this. If you like it quiet, don't come on the weekends. There are many locals here on the weekends, and it's only 100 pesos entrance. No reason not to do it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet to see more videos here on Punta Cana, all you can see. And if you like the video, I'm happy if you give me a big thumbs up, and I see you again.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 la, la casa del merengue, la 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 la, y la casa de la bachata.